The first unit operation I chose was one that you can find in nearly any dorm at UConn, a mini fridge. The mini fridge has insulation units all along its walls so that ambient heat cannot get in. There is a thermostat right here that senses the temperature of the fridge to regulate it. You could also pick if you want your fridge cooler or colder by turning this knob right here. The thermostat is connected to the compressor, which is back here. The compressor is connected by cables to the evaporator and the condenser, which are all located behind this silver metal plane, and they are connected together. When the warm food gets put in at a higher temperature, refrigerant passes through the condenser and then it gets evaporated when it gets to a higher pressure and partially evaporates into the evaporator. Then thermal equilibrium occurs between the evaporator and the heat, and as a result, the fridge becomes cold. The next unit operation I chose was a Brita water filter. So this water filter has a little basin at the top for all the water to sit as it goes through the filter. Here is the filter. It is made of activated carbon, and it is removable and exchangeable. It's fairly small. You can buy replacements, and the water is just going to run through it. Has a little hole in the center of the basin to put it inside. Then you can just put the cover on and your filter is all set. All you have to do now is pour water into the basin and let the filtration system do its work, and it'll slowly drop out into the collection unit at the bottom, and the water is now safe to drink. The final unit operation that I have chosen is a washing machine here in North Campus. So in the washer there is a tray where you can place your detergent that's going to extract the oils from your clothes. And now in the actual washer, when you open it, you're going to see the inner drum, and it has all these holes to release water out and paddles to move the clothes around. There's going to be another drum on the outside that works together to spin both of these drums in order to wash the clothes and eventually spin them rapidly as shown here in order to drain out all of the water that will go back through those holes after the hot water and the cold water mix together.